The world of virtual reality is about to take another massive leap forward, and Meta is once again at the center of the storm. After months of speculation, industry whispers, and blurry developer kit sightings, we now have our clearest look yet at what's coming, the Meta Quest 4. And if even half of the current leaks are true, the Quest 4 isn't just another iteration, it's a full-blown evolution of VR as we know it. From groundbreaking display technology to next-level hand tracking and an AI-powered interface, Meta is gearing up to redefine how we interact with digital worlds. The race for the most immersive, wireless, and powerful VR headset has officially entered a new phase, and Quest 4 is preparing to lead the charge. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Insiders and leakers close to the Meta hardware development team have already dropped major details about the Quest 4's design overhaul. Gone is the bulky form factor of earlier models. In its place, a sleeker, lighter, more ergonomic headset that promises longer play sessions without fatigue. Rumors suggest it will feature OLED microdisplays with up to 120 Hz refresh rates, which means sharper images, deeper blacks, and significantly reduced screen door effect, a huge improvement for gamers and content creators alike. But the hardware isn't the only thing getting a serious upgrade. Meta is reportedly developing a new custom XR chip that outperforms the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 currently found in the Quest 3. With this upgraded silicon, users can expect faster load times, higher fidelity environments, seamless multitasking, and even the ability to run full PC-like VR games locally, without the need to tether to a desktop or cloud stream. It's a shift that puts standalone VR right in line with top-tier gaming. What's even more intriguing is Meta's push into AI-driven interfaces. The Quest May 4th include a voice-activated assistant powered by Llama 3, Meta's in-house large language model, offering real-time suggestions, environment controls, and hands-free navigation. Combined with full-color pass-through and improved room mapping sensors, the Quest 4 aims to blur the line between VR and AR, transforming it into a truly mixed reality device. Think real-world overlays, smart widgets, and interactive holographic elements in your living room, not in 5 years, but possibly by the end of 2025. Speaking of timelines, the leaked release window for the Meta Quest 4 points toward October 2025, aligning with Meta's historical launch pattern and the holiday shopping season. Some reports even hint at a teaser event in September, with pre-orders launching shortly after. Pricing is still under wraps, but analysts predict it could land around $599 to $699, depending on storage configurations and bundled accessories like the next-gen touch controllers or optional face-tracking modules. Let's not forget Meta's ecosystem advantage. The Quest 4 will likely launch with full backwards compatibility, meaning your Quest 2 and Quest 3 library will work out of the box. On top of that, expect deeper integration with Meta Horizon, immersive social experiences, and potential partnerships with AAA developers for exclusive game content built to showcase the new headset's capabilities. Titles like Asgard's Wrath 3, Beat Saber RTX, and Resident Evil 5 VR are already being whispered about in dev circles. In short, the Meta Quest 4 is shaping up to be much more than just a headset. It's an AI-powered mixed reality ecosystem that could mark the true beginning of next-gen VR for the mainstream. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative professional, or someone who's just been waiting for VR to finally feel real, this could be the moment.